There's a law that requires commercial fishing vessels to have federal monitors on board to make sure they aren't overfishing. But the law doesn't specify who pays for the monitors, so the agency decides it's the fishing companies. Under Chevron deference, the federal agency that oversees an industry gets to make the call, as long as its interpretation of the rule is reasonable. 2 different groups of fishermen sued, and their cases made it to the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court will hear arguments on a case that could affect the independent authority of every federal agency in the country.
Over the years, the Supreme Court has used the Chevron deference to side with agencies on matters involving clean air, Social Security, and labor laws, to name a few. Which brings us to today. 40 years later, the Supreme Court's conservative majority seems to believe that agencies have used Chevron to go too far.
If agencies are afraid to act, we all have a lot to lose there.